Hello everyone, this is Subash. Right now you can see in my hand, this is power bank, Ultima 20K Pro power bank, and so we are going to give review of this product. How is it? It's really good, really quality product or not. So in this video, we are going to give each and every quality of this product. First of all, we are talking about this product. The product name of this is Ultima 20K Pro Power Bank. Its name is Ultima 20K Pro Power Bank. And talking about the like its style and its weights and about the looking, it's a pretty nice and it's strong and solid, and there's no any doubt about the solid and the strong. And the talking about it's there's a three port, you can see here it's three port. This is a 10.5 watt, and that one is a type C charger, which we can use for the charging this product. And this is a 22.5 watt power. So this and this one we can, this and this port we can use to charge mobile, laptop, tablet, anything you can use this device to charge. But this is for the 10.5 watt, and this is for 22.5 watt, and this one is for type C, like for charging this device. So and again we're talking about the like how is it charging and how much time to take the complete 100% in mobile. Talking about Android devices, once it's complete 100%, like when it get 100%, once it has a 100%, then you can charge Android device like 2 to 3 times you can charge the Android device. But for the iPhone user, you can charge for 4 times to 4.5 times you can charge this iPhone device. And about is the while charging, there's some problem, like when we are keep put in charger, then sometimes like the percentage here showing, sometimes it is stop, like suppose that is 80%, and then after it cannot go ahead, like it cannot be 81. So for like for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, sometimes it stop. But that is work like after 5 10 minutes, after like 15 minutes, this will work. But no, I don't think it's very about that one, for about that technical, there's any little bit mistake there. So for about this one, there's a little bit weak point while charging, like while charging, sometimes it is stop and the percentage amount can't go ahead. So that will be the little bit strength, and that will be the weakness point of this one. And then after, while mobile charging, like normally when you put your mobile charging with this device, then like for 1%, when 1% in your mobile, there will be a 3% complete, like for each 1%, to 3% in your mobile. And for the like its weight about near about 400 gram. There's a the weight of this product is a 400 gram. And you can see this uh, this means this button, when you press this one, then it started to show the percent. And when you press like a when it's pressed, then it's closed. So this there's no anything, there's no any work of this button. So just give this for the like to show the charger. When you press, then it started to show the charger. And there's also one sticker, like it's also another name is Ultima Army. The product name is Ultima Army, also power bank. So this is a really good power bank, and it is also universal acceptable power bank. We can use any universal device, any things you can use to charge. And there is also one thing is that it has a QC 3.1 voltage fasting charger. It's a fasting charger devices, so you can use like when you use any device, like for Android user, there's separate techniques, and for the iPhone user, there's separate voltage. So for this separate device, there's a separate things to charging here. And it is a good, and this one is from China. It is made in China, and that is a really product, and I am also using this product, and it's also like for the style and for your looking style, for everything. That's a good but little bit weighty, like a 400 kilometer. So I think hope you can buy this product, and the cost of this product is near about uh, 2000, means 2000 price of this product. So this price of this product is 2000. So I think this is enough to with 200 products. In 200 products, it's a better product, so we can buy this one. If you are from Nepal, then I will put the link of this product in the my description of this video. So in description of my video, you can see the link of this product, and you can order from there. And it's a very good and quality product. So hope you enjoy with this video and you get a proper knowledge about this product. Thank you for watching our video.